Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pastry dough for quiche. Start by chilling your ingredients and measuring flour, butter, salt, and ice water. Keep the butter cold and use quick pulses or a fork to cut it into the flour until you have pea-sized crumbs. Add just enough ice water to bind without making the dough wet, then shape, rest, and roll gently for a tender, flaky crust. We will walk through each step clearly so you can follow along while you work. Mix flour and salt first, then incorporate cold butter with rapid movements so it stays in small flakes. Add ice water a tablespoon at a time until the dough just comes together. Note that it should not feel wet or sticky. Wrap the dough and chill to relax gluten and keep the crust flaky during baking. These baking tips will help your quiche crust come out crisp and golden every time. Blind bake the crust if your filling contains a lot of liquid to avoid a soggy bottom, and use pie weights or docking to prevent bubbles. Keep an eye on oven temperature and finish with an egg wash for an appetizing golden color and slightly glossy edge that contrasts nicely with a creamy quiche filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.